that look familiar? Half an avocado wrapped up in the fridge, turning brown and never using it? Well, I've got a great tip for you. Put it in a smoothie. Not only is it going to give you protein, but it gives a beautiful texture. And in here I've got some almond milk. I've got a little bit of kale. You can use spinach too. And if you have problem digesting some of your leafy greens, really powering them on and blending them is a great way to do it. Some banana for a bit of sweetness and a tiny little bit of pure maple syrup. Make sure you're buying the pure ones, not the synthetic. Again, good ingredients that goes into this. And then all I do is scoop out this avocado. And again, if you're using this, keep the one with the seed in it in the refrigerator, because that helps keep it a little bit longer. And then we're gonna pack this together and give it a blend. And now we've got a beautiful, rich smoothie. It's got great color and it's going to fill you up too.